warm welcome from Indonesia. I am back to this country and I'm going on my first adventures. I'm gonna take you somewhere where I actually wanted to go already 2 years ago, but it was closed because it was dangerous to go up there. Taking this trip with Ferdi from Kirana Tours.
Thank you, Victoria. Thank you very much.
And I just go get the rest of the group. Are you guys ready for the adventure? Good to go? Let's do it. Yay, we're ready to go. Yes, Jawa. Okay, she just asked me how am I moving all my stuff around because I just said I could have taken now my surfboard because so I just made a joke. I could take my surfboard, and she was like, "How I travel around, right?
Yeah, how you travel around.
On a motorbike."
Yeah. On a motorbike?
Yes.
With yourself?
Yep.
Crazy,
Two
crazy.
surfboards, one surf skate, a backpack, and a camera bag.
Crazy girl. Crazy girl.
Laughing at me because I am driving to Soultyboho, huh? You say I'm crazy.
Yeah, very crazy because rider alone.
It's a long trip.
One night today. Today one night, yeah?
2 day, 1 night drive, yes. Very long. That's gonna be the next adventure, guys. So we just stopped really quickly to get some snacks and water, and it just started to rain. Hopefully we're gonna get some good weather. He says like I have no braces anymore.
Yeah, you know what this is.
I had braces when we met with each other. I totally forgot that. Salamat tidur. Good night. Good night. Trying to sleep a bit. You pray? And food. Makan. He knew it. He knew you. Blessing the car. So we finally arrived with the group to Gilimanuk Harbor, and yeah, we didn't really manage to sleep in the car at all. And now it's gonna be like a 45 minutes ferry ride to Java, and we are the first one arriving on the ferry. So a lot of places to choose from. First time I am coming on a ferry as the first person. It's amazing. Ferry is getting full with the whole school. So it's 12 o'clock now, midnight, here in Java. We just arrived to the base of Mount Ijen, and we have 4 hours rest before we start our hike. We are super tired. We couldn't sleep anything in the car or in the ferry. It was really bumpy, the road. Surprisingly, it's not that cold here, but let's see how is it out, because we are obviously in Indonesia not having really proper warm clothes. It will be nice to get here a coffee before we start the hike. Just checking out the place where is it the best to rest. You gonna sleep here or in the car? I think I will sleep in the car. Okay, I think I just gonna go back to the car and just trying to get some sleep there because these guys are just keep chatting. I need some sleep. Just woke up, could sleep. We could sleep like 3 hours in the car. Everyone sleep.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, well, so. We have time for drinking coffee. Good morning, guys, from Mount Ijen. We managed to sleep like maybe 2.5 hours in the car, and now we are just drinking our morning coffee, and we get already our gas masks. We gotta wear these as there will be like a lot of sulfur in the air, so after a while it's just not possible to breathe. And yeah, it's many people here. I will show you.
Morning. Oh, I'm handsome.
We are getting the coffee and the gas masks. Let's go. Let's do this. Yes.
4:20.
4:20. Ooh, we gonna hurry up a little bit. Selamat pagi.
To be 8 o'clock too, but you want me to just dress them?
Not everyone can make it. Ferrari. That's the gondola. Wow. This part.
Yeah.
It's really the toughest one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. So we are just done with the first 25 minutes of the hike, taking a little bit of rest. How do you feel?
Tired.
He forgot his gas mask.
Oh, I do it all the time.
So let's see if we can even make it up. And you, how do you feel?
Tired and sleep deprived.
Yeah, right? It's just everything smells already after here. Sulfur.
Fit though.
Yeah, we all feel really unfit, and it's just really hard to breathe because of the sulfur. And the more higher we go, it's getting heavier. That's why I don't know, guys, how much you can see it, but this few hundred meters up is the deepest and toughest. Whew, and this is even toughest. This was really not that easy as I thought, but I am really out of shape. Couldn't work out the past 1.5 months because of an injury. Oh yeah, it was definitely not an easy hike, and we were really sporty. It took us like a little bit less than an hour to get to the flat part, and now we're just gonna enjoy the view. This one is really uncomfortable. Oh my god. Really, really strong sulfur. You can even see this fogginess. This is all sulfur in the air. And if I just put the mask a little bit away, wow, it's really, really incredibly strong. He's coming without. I forgot his. Is it strong?
It's strong, and the smell is so bad. You feel like you're gonna throw up.
Don't forget the gas mask, guys. It's really your health. Oh. It's even burning my eyes. Look at that, guys. It's totally worth it to come out here. It's incredibly beautiful, and it's just so special with the lake and just all the surroundings. It's just really beautiful.
So the miner takes sulfur from there. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, in bottom. So from the top, from the stairs,
Yes.
it's 100 meters. We go down.
Yes.
And so slippery, very dangerous. 4 years ago, big eruption there. Around, if 1 year ago, just small.
And it
on
was
the
like
tremor.
really big 4 years ago.
Yes. And then not flying in the airport, in the Bali,
Yes.
close.
Till now I had warm, but now I am really starting to freeze. Monkey on the tree.
Fries.
Breakfast time. Everyone is hungry.
Yeah, super hungry.
And we got the Indonesian flag in there. Very creative.
Yeah, very creative.
Thank you so much for guiding us. And see you next time. So we had some coffee and finished our breakfast, and now we are taking again the bus back to Bali. This was really an epic adventure, and I so much recommend you guys to do this trip. It's something really outstanding and beautiful. We had as well so much luck because of the weather. We had no rain. It was really clear, the sky, so we could see the lake. It was truly amazing, and yeah, I'm so grateful that I could finally come to Java and visit the volcano. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this today, and follow me along for the next one.